Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you what to do if WhatsApp web stops working in Chrome. So let's get right into it. The first thing you have to check is your internet connection. Restart your router and see if the issue is resolved. If the problem is not from your connection, try updating Chrome to see if the problem is resolved. Click the three dots in the top right corner, scroll down and go to Help. In Help, select About Google Chrome. It will open Settings. Here it will check for updates, and if there are any updates available, it will automatically update it once you open this page. Relaunch Chrome to complete the process. After updating Chrome, go to Privacy and Security to clear your cache and cookies. In Privacy and Security, select Delete Browsing Data, and for the time range, select the time when WhatsApp web stopped working. So I'm going to select last 7 days. Now click Delete Data. If clearing cache doesn't work for you, go to Extensions and here disable all your extensions to see if any of them may be interfering with WhatsApp. After disabling all the extensions, reload WhatsApp and if it works, re-enable them one by one to find the culprit. If you disable all your extensions and WhatsApp web still isn't working, go back to Settings and here go to Reset Settings. Here select Restore Settings to their original defaults and click Reset Settings. After resetting Chrome settings, go back to Privacy and Security and here come to Third-Party Cookies. Scroll down and select See All Site Data and Permissions. In the search bar, type WhatsApp and here delete the data for WhatsApp. After that, reopen WhatsApp, log in and see if the problem has been resolved. If this still doesn't work for you, one last thing you can try is setting your system's date and time correctly. Right-click on the date and time and select Adjust Date and Time. Here, make sure Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically is turned on. Or you can turn this off and set the correct date and time manually. And those are some easy steps you can take if WhatsApp web stops working in Chrome. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone who might need this. Also, don't forget to drop a comment below with any tips, tricks, or questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.